Welcome. In this video, I would like to show you how to use text to column to be able to separate names into the first name and the last name. As you can see, in this simple data set, the full name is a combination of the first name and the last name. So how can we separate them into two different columns for the first name and the last names? So here we go. So I'm going to delete this. To use text to column, you can do this using text to column. You go to text to column, you move on to the next. We are using delimiter because the delimiter between the two names is a space. So you're going to use the space because there's space in between each of the name, the first and the last name. And immediately you click on the space, you will observe that at the data preview you have it into two separate columns. So you click on next, and from here you can determine the destination where you want it to be. So I want to put it here, and I'll press finish. So you can see we now have the first name and the last name. So I will just rename this as first name and the next one as the last name. So I just come to the formula bar here to type last name. So that's how you can use your text to column to separate a full name into two separate columns, the first name and the last name. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.